Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Clickbank video, I'd like to share with you some more proof that some more commissions have recently come in. This is another commission here for $21.24. And that takes me to a total profit of $279 with Clickbank. But more importantly, in this video, I want to show you how you can join Clickbank for free. I want to show you how you can promote some free products. I'm going to share with you the products that you can promote, and you can start to earn some monthly recurring commissions with these offers. And also within these products, you're going to get the training that you need from seven-figure earners. So I just want to show you here. I'm going to go into so I'm live in my account there. That's my Clickbank account. That's the $21.24 there, but I'll show you the total amount here. So when you go into your Clickbank account, you set one up for free. I'm going to select a date range here. I'm going to go to where we started. So I set my account up in October last year, October 2022. And we'll go to today's date, which is June the 4th. And it gives you all your transactions. Just press go. And then you come down here and it gives you all your transactions here. So you'll see my total earnings so far. I just use free traffic to promote these offers, $279. This column here is an important column. And what you'll see here, that the majority of these are what are called a rebill. So this means that these are recurring income commissions. If you promote the right products, then you're earning commissions over and over again. So first of all, you set up a Clickbank account. You go onto Google and just type in Clickbank. Go on to start here. It's free to set an account up. Then you go into your marketplace when you log in. You can search for any of your affiliate offers here. There's not just make money online niche that I'm in, but there's all these other high converting niches. Maybe you don't want to go in the make money online niche. Maybe you want to go into other niches. So the marketplace, Clickbank's been around now for over 20 years. A known, like, and trusted marketplace that promotes both digital and physical products. I'm going to share with you 3 offers that you can promote for free. And the reason I'm sharing these offers, the particular offers with you, is because when you join them for free, there'll be a link in the description to each of these 3 offers. You can then actually follow the trainings inside of these offers to develop the skills to learn affiliate marketing. So this is what I did when I first started. So within this one here, within this offer here, there's 100 tutorials on how to sell your first digital product. 7-figure earner training in that one. The next one here is a free autoresponder. So if you haven't got if you can't afford a monthly payment for an autoresponder, then this is not only a free autoresponder, this will teach you how to promote digital products. If I just come down here, passive income, it's got all the free tools that you need in several niches, not just the make money online niche. And you'll see here, if I come down here, scrolling through pretty fast here, but I want to show you that you can join this for free membership, free autoresponder. And then if any of your referrals upgrade, because they'll pay $47 a month, you can stay on this free account here and you will earn a monthly recurring commission. So you're promoting a free offer, and then your referrals are getting great value and learning how to earn an income online. You learn a commission. This is another great one. You can use these yourself and promote these yourself. You get a free monthly website. This is by a couple of 8-figure earners here, John Thornhill. These two gentlemen here, John Thornhill and Dave Nicholson, they've been full-time online for 20 years. And then they're going to give you a free website every single month that you can use to promote. And then they'll teach you how to earn Clickbank commissions promoting. And again, you can join for free. So it's forever free. They'll send you a free website every single month. But then if any of your referrals upgrade, you'll earn monthly recurring commissions. So you're learning the skills from these 7 and 8-figure earners that have been online for a long time. They've got a lot of knowledge, and they want to help new people that are on a low budget, can't afford paid traffic, start earning your first dollar, start to scale up a little bit. All the trainings are there for you to succeed. I put all the links in the description for these 3 products, and then you can get those totally for free, and they can be forever free. I'm going to pin my blog post here, which I wrote, which is my 5 best free traffic sources for generating leads and commissions that I personally use. So you can use these 5 free traffic sources to promote the Clickbank offers, and then start to earn some commissions for free. So you can join Clickbank for free, you can join the offers for free, you can get free traffic, and then if you want to scale up later on at any time, then they'll teach you how to scale up and reinvest if you wish to do so. So it's a great way to join Clickbank and start earning some affiliate commissions, especially if you're brand new, you want to learn some digital skills, you want to get trained by the top marketers, and you want some free offers to promote. And I've just shown you the proof there that they do up. Some customers, some referrals do upgrade, and I've got $279 in my Clickbank account from just following this simple little system here. So if you enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And then please share the video with anybody you think will be interested in making money online. And if you've enjoyed today's video, you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. So if you've got any questions at all about Clickbank or any of the offers that I've shown you today, then please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. My email address will be in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. And all of these offers are in the description. So maybe you want to just get started with one and start promoting that, and then start to earn some Clickbank commissions, and then you can scale up from there if you wish to do so. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.